Alright, circles. So we're going to look at circumference and area. Circumference is pretty much perimeter. Parts of a circle. So we should know this. Draw this picture would help. And the circumference is just how long is that around the circle. So if you're going to wrap a string around that, something like that, how long is that? It's the perimeter, really. So area. What is area? Area is the area inside. How much can we put inside of it? And the formula is this. Area equals pi times r squared. Pi r squared. And r equals our radius. And pi equals 3.14. Approximately. Alright, so let's look at an example real quick. Find the area of a circle, round to the nearest hundredth. Alright, so we look at this. That's our r. And we're just going to plug it in. So area equals pi and then 5 squared. So what does this become? We plug in the 5 and the area is, now that is times 25. 5 times 5. So you could plug in 3.14 times 25. Oops. And what is that? A equals, and when you do that out, it's 78.5. And what you do, you put inches squared. Okay. Now you guys try this one. I'll pause it here. Here's your answer. Alright, so circumference, there's two formulas, and I'll box them in for you. Right there, or right there. So, C equals, or C equals, so let's look at an example. So there's two ways to do this. We can use radius. We can use radius or diameter. So let's try it. So two times pi times what is with the radius? It's 3. So we're multiplying these things. Or the diameter. So this is R and this is D. So it would be C equals pi D. Oops. Well, let's plug that in. 6. And look what happens, though, real quick. 2 times 3. So C equals, that becomes 6 pi. It's the same thing. So C equals, so the answer is here, 18.84. Okay? Okay, so here, you guys try this one. And I'll pause it here. Okay, so find the area of a quarter circle, or the yellow region. So, if I want to find the whole area of the circle, remember area equals pi r squared. So the area of the whole circle is, and I'm going to leave this in terms of pi. I'm not going to convert. So 6 squared. So a equals pi squared, pi r squared, 6 squared. So a equals 6 times 6 is 36 pi. So a quarter circle, a quarter is the same as dividing by 4. That's something I don't think many people know. So to find this, I would divide this by 4, so that quarter circle equals 36 divided by 4 equals 9 pi. So I'll leave it like that, 9 pi. So I'd like you guys to try and find the area of the blue region, which is a half circle. Alright? I'm going to pause here. So real quick, this is our diameter, so I have to cut that in half to get the radius. So the radius is 5. So A equals 5 squared, which I think we've already done one like this. So area would equal 25 pi. Oops. But we have to divide that by 2. So my answer, I'll just leave it like this. Half circle equals 20, oops, I was converting it into a decimal, 25 over 2 pi, or 12.5 pi. Okay, that's good.